Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to send locations on Google Map to your iPhone or iPad. Please subscribe to the channel. Please watch the rest of the video. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to our iOS devices. It can be iPhone or iPad. Go to Google Maps. This is where we find any point that we want to point to. So let's say I choose this route. And I'm going to put a point like this once. Now we have it right here, so we can share it. We swipe to the side, click Share. Here we select any social network to whom we want to send. Let's say it can be to Messenger, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Contact, and so on. We can scroll down, click Copy. Now we go to any social network. Let's say WhatsApp. And WhatsApp, we take the copy, paste, and send. Now when a person clicks on our link, they will go straight to this track, and they will be shown the location on a Google map. If you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give a like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.